Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is gyro machines using for the outdoor only. Now let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire depth, it's about like a 22.5 inches. And the unit's overall height is about like a 57 and 1/4 inches tall. From bottom to the edge of the surface, it is about like a 34.5 inches tall in total. And the unit's width, it is about like a 17 and 3/4 inches wide. Now we can see the center of the units, they come with the two straight burner at the behinds. In the center, the sizes right here, it is almost about like a 22 and 1/4 inches tall in total. So they can handling almost about like a 50 pounds the meat on these gyro machines. And the units was simple designed, and the center of the bottoms, they do not have the motors, so everything is manually with the propane fires at the behinds. So there's no electric power supply on this unit, and you can just spin it to making the meat spinning on top of the units. And looking the front, we can see they do have two individual fire controllers on each of the side, and you can just twist it and open it. Looking the bottoms, we have a second layers. You can put some like a gasket, like a tanks or any like a prep things at the shelvings. And also from the manufacturers, they give you a gasket connection for the propane tanks. And the last things, the unit was made by stainless steel. Also, they offer the two covers. You can just simply to close it to keep it clean the area at its positions. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. You have more questions, feel free to contact with us.